walk in the rain. Maulan siya, guys. I'm wearing slippers. Kaya it's in the because it's so slippery. Careful. Let's walk here. It's more safe. And the pedestrian. I should have wear shorts. But our area is clean. Oh no, the escalator is not working. I'm wearing my umbrella even though I'm inside the train station. I should. Napagod ako. Kakahinga. She's taking a picture with the escalator that is not working. So it's okay if your face is there because this is public, you know. Should have drink more water. Just realized that I left without drinking any water again. Okay, I'll have to use the stairs. Medyo madulas siya, guys. You know, my pants, it's a new wash and now it's soaking wet. He should use the lift. So there's the elevator for it. And it's so nice. She's giving him money. But there's the conditional that he must pay. Okay. Hulaan nyo kung asa na paganda sa ang area ko. Busy na ako. Kailangan kong mag-left ng my pants too. It's okay. Now let's go down here. Not bad, yeah? Yan si Lola. Medyo mabasa. Ang ganda ng mangga, oh. Magkano sa mangga, kuya? Magkano sa mangga?
70 kilo.
70 kilo. Medyo mahal. Medyo mabagal to. Nanay, padaan. Nauna ako kasi mas mabilis ako maglakad. Salamat. Thank you. I said, can I walk in front of them first because I walk faster than them. I was in the mall earlier and now I'm heading to Lucas School. To pick him up. I hope the rain will stop. So we don't need to take tricycle when we go home. Oh my gosh, this is a blind curve. It's dangerous if you are cross so slow. I almost tripped off the slippery. Para, wait lang kuya. I need to approach. Para. I don't know why I say para. I'm not even inside the jeep. I just want them to stop because I need to cross. Hindi ko alam paano sa Tagalog ang para sa pag nasa labas ka, hindi ka sa loob ka ng sasakyan. Hinto. Kuya, hinto. Tatabok ako. I'm almost here. Ikapoy ko eh. Bata pa niya, oh, nag-drive na siya. He's already working. I think he's underage. I mean, less than 20 years old, at least. It's like 15. Yeah, it's good for him. So yeah, kailangan ko nang kumaliwa kasi malapit na ang school ni Lucas. So I have to turn off now my video because I don't want to take a video all the way to his school. So that's it for today. Bye everyone. See you in my next video.